Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. I hope you guys are doing well, and this is our part 4 video of our fabric series. Okay, earlier we have released 3 videos on fabric. Okay, so last video we have seen how to create shortcut and how to access our ADLS Gen 2, any external ADLS Gen 2 or any S3 buckets data using the shortcut method in Fabric. Okay, mainly basically how to use the shortcut method in Fabric that we have seen, and what is shortcut that also we I explained and try to understand, give you the understanding how to create and how to use that. Okay, so today we'll see how to access the data using the shortcut in our Spark notebook. Okay, in Fabric Spark notebook. So here what we'll do, so basically we'll create one Spark notebook in our workspace, and from there how to access the our gen 2 whatever in last video we have connected. From there how to access the data that we will see. Okay, so in real time projects also there are some external sources the data will come from, and you need to create the shortcut, and from there you need to read the data and you have to process accordingly. Okay, based on the business requirements. So that thing we will see today. Okay, so let's go to my workspace, test workspace. Okay, you can see for free trial option here every day the how much day it is left for the free option that it is showing. Okay, for me it is 45 days left till next 45 days I can use this account as a free. After that I need to uh, make it premium. Okay, account. Okay, so here I am in my test workspace. Okay, you can see this Lakehouse we used to use yesterday, or also in our last video also we have created um, one shortcut on this Lakehouse only. So if you go, you can able to see this demo. So we have this demo container here in our Gen 2. Okay, there are multiple data CSV data files are there. For the source data we used to use this. Okay, let it come. If we load this we can see these data files. Okay, here also it is loading. It is taking time. So this thing, from this data how we can use it in our node, using the notebook, how we can read it, that we'll see here. Okay, so let's go to our, this is still loading, don't know what is the issue. So from here we'll add the new item, notebook. Okay, so we'll search with notebook, click on the notebook, and notebook will get created here automatically. Okay, so here first thing you have to attach, you have to add the items, add your Lakehouse, you using which Lakehouse you want to work, that thing you have to add it. Okay, so under this Lakehouse we have that shortcut. Okay, using that shortcut we used to access our data like Gen 2, this one. Okay, this datas in Gen 2 we have this datas. So already we have added. Now you can simply query your data. Df equals to spark dot read dot csv. So this is, these are the csv file. I can use this csv uh, API, okay, CSV function to call it. So path you have to give, so suppose this one I will read. So copy relative path for spice park. You can file API path, it will directly take it from Lakehouse. Okay, so for now I'll use the relative path. Okay, relative path, it will be okay for me. Okay, you can try all these three paths. Okay, what are the difference you will able to understand. So now header equals to true. Okay, after that separator, as we used to do in we when we read the data from Databricks also, the same thing we need to do it here. Okay, so display, same thing. Okay, if I'll run the code, so here the standard session u- used to start very fast. Okay, it will take hardly 4 to 5 seconds or 6 seconds to get starts. Okay, so like Synapse, it will not take so much of time. Okay, so you can see it can read the data, it can give you output. Or either you can do this also. For if you want to read this, then you just load it like this. You can use Panda also, or you can use Spark also. So if you like, you do, it will give you the whole code, ready-made code. Okay, but I would recommend you write the code by yourself every time. Okay, as a developer, you should not use these things. Okay, these are the shortcuts for the coders. Okay, you don't need to write this thing. Okay, you don't need to use this load data every time. Okay, as a developer, every time write your code by yourself, so that code, how you are approaching, how you are reading the data, you can keep it in your mind every time. Okay, so these are the process. Okay, so this is the way how you can read the data from your external source. Or if you the same thing you can do it if you have the data in your local lake house, that also you can read. This file also you can read the same way by Spark. You can see this is the sync path. From the sync path, it is reading the same way. Okay, how you used to read it from uh, shortcut folder, the same way you can read it from here. Normally your local lakehouse folder also. Okay, which the lakehouse which is exist in the uh, fabric only, the fabric element only. Okay, so I hope you have understood. If you can try by yourself. If you are facing any challenges, you can comment. I will try to help you. Okay, okay, so for now, this is the today's uh, topic. We'll see in our next video with another important topic. Okay, on fabric. So thank you for watching our video. If you think it is helpful for you guys, please do like our channel, Cognitive Coders. And if you still have not subscribed our channel, I would request you guys subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos, because in upcoming weeks we are going to upload important topics on fabric, industry basis, how we used to work, and what are the complications in fabric also have when we are not using PySpark, and what are the pros when we are using fabric. Fabric is kind of complete framework where you will get pipelines, uh, notebooks, analytics thing in a same space. Okay, but there are some cons also, pros and cons, everything is there. Okay, so what it is, that we will discuss in our upcoming videos. uh, okay, so stay tuned with us, and thank you for watching our video. Okay, so bye for now.